This is the Giles and Posner mini pie maker that I picked up from the Amazon team. I'm really into meal prepping and food prepping, making ahead and making things from scratch. So I'm really excited to have this. Let me turn the camera around and we'll take a closer look. So let's take a look and see what you get in the box. Here we go. Now bear in mind, depending on which country you get it from, your plug may differ. I've got a UK plug here, but obviously yours will be correct for the country you're in. So that's that there. It feels like a really nice quality, kind of like a dash. And there you go, you've got your little pie section. So this is a nice, for size, there you go, it's a nice portion there. This is going to be good. We've got the quick guide start there as well. You've got the pie maker, the non-stick cooking plates, and this is a pastry cutter according to the instructions. And there's also a little brief explanation of how to cook it and how to make dough. I'll probably just buy ready-made. And there you go. You can obviously put anything you want in there. You can use chicken pot pie mix, make it yourself. Maybe it's a good way to use the leftovers. So maybe you make chili, curry, stew, anything like that. Also your sweet pies as well. So maybe you've got fruit. Maybe you're in the supermarket, you see some fruit on clearance or just looks really good. Maybe you can make a sweet pie instead. There we go. Looks like a really nice quality. You've got your cable tie there, which I appreciate. So you can tie back your cable there. It's nice and petite. There is an indicator light on there, which I'm sure will go, my experience with these machines is all go green when it's ready to be used. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It looks like it's going to be nice and easy to keep clean. What a fab little quality. Good luck with your pie making. I cannot wait to start making my own. It's going to be awesome.